Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll dive into Unroll.me, a tool designed to bring sanity back to your inbox. If you're dealing with constant email overload and endless subscriptions, Unroll.me promises to simplify it all. So let's see how it holds up. Unroll.me is a free tool that organizes your inbox by helping you unsubscribe from unwanted emails with a single click. Plus, it has a unique feature called the Rollup. Here, Unroll.me bundles your chosen subscriptions into a neat daily digest, helping you see everything at a glance without flooding your inbox. Whether it's daily deals, newsletters, or updates from your favorite sites, you can now decide when and how you want to view them. One of the best features of Unroll.me is how easy it is to use. Once you sign up and link your email account, Unroll.me scans your inbox for subscriptions, letting you unsubscribe, keep, or roll up messages into the daily digest. Within minutes, you have a cleaner, more manageable inbox. However, Unroll.me does have some downsides. It's only available on iOS and Android, so there's no desktop app, and it only works with certain email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook. Privacy-conscious users may also want to know that Unroll.me's business model includes anonymizing and selling data about general email trends, though not personal information. Still, this might be a deal breaker for some. For those who want even more customization, I recommend checking out Clean Email, another email management tool that takes inbox organization up a notch. Clean Email offers enhanced filtering and folder customization, letting you tailor your inbox just the way you like it. Be sure to check the description for a link to the top email manager. While Unroll.me is free, its simplicity and ease make it a great option for those with a high volume of email subscriptions. If you're looking for a straightforward way to tame your inbox, Unroll.me could be worth a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy email organizing!